Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to create your account on Claude. So first of all, launch Claude app on your mobile devices. Now, once you come to the app's interface, you could either continue with your Google account or directly enter your email address. Here we go. Now just tap on this arrow. After this, you would have to check the email in order to finish signing in so that you could enter the code. So you would be getting an email like this. Just simply tap on this option saying sign in to Claude AI. Now, over here, simply enter the country code and enter in your phone number. After this, make a selection on this box to confirm that you are at least 18 years of age. Then, if you tap on Send Verification Code, you will receive a verification code on your SMS. Make sure you check that, and once you enter it, you will successfully be able to create your account on Claude. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.